Language Cube's image mapping, 4S. Language Cube uses a differentiated and dramatic learning methodology known as the image mapping methodology. I will explain what image mapping is, why our methodology is efficient and unique, and how it is used by Language Cube. Hippocampus is the place in which learning information is memorized via stimulation. Hippocampus is stimulated more when 4 foundation pillars are added, such as spatial, speed, sound, and story. In cognitive science, these 4 S's enable the learner to retain the information longer and more accurately than other teaching methodologies. Spatial memory. Drawing a mental picture and retaining it as a spatial concept. Speed. Using quick repetitive stimulation, long-term memory can be effectively acquired. Sound. Through the sense of hearing, learning acquisition is doubled. Story. Making an imaginary story and moving to learning stage. Language Cube's image mapping uses the episodic memory methodology, which stimulates the hippocampus effectively and enables learners to memorize the information creatively. Now, I will explain to you the effectiveness of Language Cube's ubiquitous lesson. Image mapping, the first step in our UL, helps the learners remember the place in the images and visualize specified keywords. Learners remember words in certain points of the images, and this stimulates hippocampus to retain the information in long-term memory. Image mapping incorporates the spatial memory elements of the 4 S's.
I'm going to have a party at my parents'.
The lesson's dialogue and line-by-line sections are composed of 2 steps. In the first step, learners speak the following sounds while watching images with text, and in the second step, learners speak the following sounds without text, only with images. Image mapping incorporates the sound elements of the 4 S's.
You're coming too.
Story is the third step of image mapping. Learners express a new story using contents that were acquired before. Learners make a new story using the images with contents which were acquired while they were doing the previous steps of the U lesson. Spotlight incorporates the sound element of the 4 S's. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is speed. Using quick repetitive stimulation through all the menus, the hippocampus is stimulated more and long-term memory can be effectively acquired.
I'm going to have a party at my house.
Language Cube's image mapping methodology based on cognitive science is an innovative education methodology which makes it possible for learners to develop a long-term memory by stimulating the hippocampus.
Speak your mind. It's Language Cube.